Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 15 and 16 of class 8 subject English 2, the conjunctions, the prepositions and the conjunctions. Okay, first the preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show in what relation the person or thing denoted by it stand is regarding to something else. The word preposition means that which is placed before. So with this we are going to start with the exercise 1. Name the preposition in the following sentence and tell the word which each governs. So first one, the answers for this I will be showing you. So you are going to write as it is in your textbook. These are the answers for exercise 1. Okay, you are going to do. Next you have exercise 2. You are going to make the sentences with this. So here are the sentences. You can see exercise 2 you are going to complete. Okay, till here it is the sentences. Okay, next exercise 3. So in exercise 3 you are going to write the answers. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. First is along. The dog ran along the road. The river flows under the bridge. He goes to church on Sunday. Okay. The burglar jumped over the compound wall. Fifth one, I will sit at my desk to do my lessons. Sixth one, you can write from or of, both are correct. Seventh one, for. Eighth one, by and with. Ninth one, by, and 10th one, under. Okay, after that exercise 4. First at, second on, then to, by, at, by, in, at, on, to, in, since, at, into, at, from. Next, between, by, at, in, since, besides, in. Next, conjunctions. A conjunction is a word which merely joins together a group of words and sometimes words. In your younger classes you have already read about the conjunctions. They are the joining words. So here we are going to do the exercise 1. Underline the conjunctions in the following sentence. State whether they are coordinating or subordinating. So first one, because, it is subordinating. Okay. Second one, catch me if you can. If, again subordinating. Is that story true or false? Or coordinating. Tom runs faster than Harry. Then subordinating. You will be late unless you hurry. Unless subordinating. He asked whether he might have a holiday. Whether subordinating. He deserved to succeed for he worked hard. For coordinating. We can travel by land and water. Or coordinating. Now use these conjunctions in completing sentences. Okay, the sentences I will show you. Before that we are going to complete the exercise 3 and 4 first. Then we will discuss again the exercise 2. First one, and. Second is but. Third is or. Fourth is unless. Fifth is since. Sixth is adjective. Then distinguish adverb, preposition or conjunction each of the italicized word in the following sentence. First one, before, it is the preposition. Second, he came 2 hours before, it is the adverb. Preposition, adverb, and this before, third one, is the conjunction. Then since, it is the preposition, and if this since in the fifth one is the again preposition. Now I will be showing you the exercise 2, the sentences. Okay, complete the sentences you are going to do in your notebook. The answers for this is from 1 to 9. Okay, and after that, after you have 10 to 16. So this you are going to do in copy. Okay, so with this we have completed this chapter. Okay, 15 and 16. So you are going to complete in your textbook and notebook, okay, which I have told you. Thank you.